chicken hot, hot, hot. Just prepare, guys. Putting out for person to purchase. Wow. Welcome back, guys, to Self-Care Official. Please enjoy the scenes as we go by. Here am I going, guys, to purchase cooking gas at the gas station. So I am bringing you along. Enjoy the scenery. Yeah. Welcome back once again to Jamaica. Welcome back to the land of food and water, guys. Guys, look at the hill. Look at the hill. I'm so fascinated with our hill. Our hills. Yeah. Look at it. Yeah. Here we have a primary school on this side. And that's a primary school over there. This is my son here, guys, taking us along. Heading towards the gas depot. Persons are at bus station, I should say, bus stop, not bus station, but bus stop, waiting on the bus. Here we are at the gas depot. I don't want to make a video, but I hope it won't do anything. What's the price of the gas here?
I don't know which one I talk about.
They £30.
Now this, I am a par?
Yeah.
4-1.
4-1.
Yes.
But the gas so dear, man.
My dear,
My cooking gas so dear.
look how I go to alone, dear man. Our farm, big farm.
And how much is it for
Should I
the?
take them to
How much is it for the £100 here?
13,000 for anyone of them?
13,000.
And that yellow one for 14,000. No, the blue for 14,000.
Oh, 14,000 for this
Come
blue
with the
one
papa.
here.
Come this way, come here.
£100 gas, guys. And 13,000 for this grey one. Yeah.
Here.
For this smaller one here, 4-1. 4,100.
So 4,100 be 30, me tell you.
For the 30.
30 pound.
Oh, yes. 4,100. 4,100
Yeah,
in Jamaica, $1 US
Here.
is for $1 US is for 150. So guys, giving you homework, do the maths. 4,100 in Jamaica here, $1 US, $150. Yeah, $150 for $1 US here. Oh, hello. Hi, thank you, my love. Yes, so this is the gas depot, guys. As you can see, at the gas depot here, you will get clams to buy. Oh, hose, regulator, copper tube, so to go on your cylinder.
Anything you want, just call.
Anything you want. Alright, my brother. Big up yourself. Me always call you, know, you just have me not feel like to call you this evening. We just come. Yeah. That's how I do it sometimes. Huh?
Whenever you're the boss a while
I
ago.
don't know if she want me to put her in there. Yeah. A YouTube, you know.
YouTube.
Yeah.
No problem, man. Come with the people because I said we're not going to work with you.
No, leave her alone.
I boss that attack you, you know.
Alright, big up yourself.
Her name is Raquel Brown.
Raquel.
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel? You do YouTube?
Look up on YouTube, of course.
Wow, what is your channel?
I don't really have a channel for myself.
Oh.
I can't put it up. Yeah, Miss Raquel, Miss Nada.
Go and subscribe to me.
Eh?
Go and subscribe to me.
Miss Nada, come, Sarah. See the cashier.
No, we don't have video, man.
Video that.
All right.
Video.
Oh boy. So dear guys, he was saying why did I call the truck to deliver the gas for me, but this time around, you know, sometimes you want to come on the road because you have other, you know, occasions. Yes, so I just, you know, put the cylinder in the car box and so let us just pick up the gas at the same time while we are on the road. You know, using one stone to kill two birds, right? Oh boy. So here are my guys in the store picking up a few items here. These are sandwich bread. Yes. Pastry. Muffin here. Delicious muffin. Wow. Lots of pastry. Wow. Lots of pastry. Hot dog rolls, guys. 6 in a pack. 1,475. Yeah. A lot of pastry here, guys. Pista crust. So this, guys, if you want to make a pista, the crust already prepared, so you just put on your toppings, whatever you choose, whatever you rather. And there's more pista crust. Yeah. Lots of pastry. Cookies. Wow. Butter croissant. Christmas cake, guys. Christmas cake, guys. Package. Look at our Christmas cake, guys. Fruit cake. Already in package. Wow. These packages are new to us. Wow. Wow. Fruits, apple guys, fruits. Yeah. So this is our traditional Christmas cake, guys. Jamaican Christmas cake. Traditional. Beautifully packaged. Jamaican traditional Christmas cake. Beautifully packaged. For my Jamaican diaspora, look at the Christmas cake here in Price Mart, Jamaica. Beautifully packaged. Welcome back to Jamaica, guys. Roti Oti. That's what it name? What's the name? Huh?
Jerk chicken.
Huh?
Jerk chicken.
No, I didn't say jerk. Oh, jerk chicken.
Yeah, jerk chicken.
Okay. Jerk chicken here, guys. Woo! Jamaican jerk chicken. Hot, hot, hot. Just prepare, guys. Putting out for person to purchase. Wow. Yummy, yummy jerk chicken. Hot. And here we have jerk pork, guys. Woo! Jamaican jerk pork. Wow. Here it is. Jerk pork. Hot, guys. Ready to go home. And this is the jerk chicken here. Ooh. All ready, guys. You wanted something to eat right away, you just come and pick up. Here is jerk chicken with potato. All ready. Wow. All ready to eat, guys. Prepare and ready to eat. Jerk pork and jerk chicken with potatoes. And there is pizza. Yes, all ready to eat. Woo. All ready to consume. Warm.